Ladies and gentlemen, Travis Johnson. Hell to the no, you can sit down. Yo, you can sit on my lap.
You get it. Yo. I'm a guard, you can call me a cinema, and I mess up your skin just like a chemical. You already know that I'm in it, I'm down the low, and I don't even know what I'm talking for. I don't even know what I am saying, but I got the AK spray, leave your body laying on the ground. Now you looking like a clown with the red nose, that's blood coming down. You a bag.
Yeah.
Yo.
Sitting in a chair, I got some long ass hair. Your girlfriend, she wants to stare. Big ass bite, similar to a bear. You asking me if I do, bitch, I don't care. It's been a minute and I'm already in it. David Johnson with the fat bitch, I'ma call her Mary.
Cause she had no limits, and I'm about to get all in it. And I'm thinning just like Nemo, and I'm ugly like Hito. Take a loop, cause I'm coming with the loop. Scooby-Doo, Scrappy-Doo, and I don't have a clue like Blue's Clues, cause you already know I got the van. I'm the man with the plan, and I still don't care. Yeah, got the can, and I got the ching-chong, just like Chan.
The jingly chong, David Johnson hearing your girlfriend's thong. And she treats my dick like a bong. I'm going in your girlfriend's mouth like...
I don't know.
Shout out Kiara, and shout out Toddy. Everybody know, no dirty girls ain't got no body. Disgusting ass girls in the world, they ain't got no ass. They look like a squirrel. Bitch, I'm in this bitch like a fat girl was at McDonald's. And I gotta shout out my nigga, Ronald McDonald. That nigga is stanky, and David Johnson here. You wish you could paint me, but bitch, you can't touch me. I be getting money, your fat bitch hot. She hop on dicks like bunnies. That's nasty. Your girlfriend name is Cassie. I fucked her in her mouth, now she looking like Ashley Bashley. The bitch live in Cleveland. David Johnson here, and I never been leaving. Change the beat up, but it's alright, cause that's the name of the beat, bitch.
And I'm on some street-ish, yeah. And I turn you off like a light switch, like Lilo and Stitch. I am blue, cause you already know that my voice is like Ja Rule, cause it's deep and I creep. And you know I never sleep, and I'm straight on the boat, but I'm never on the steam. And we bout to be out. You already know that I'm about to be bout like Master P, you're mystical. You know that I'm physical. Get up in your girl like mother...
Mystical. It's a mystery. You kissing me. Girlfriend, she got chemistry. Shit.
And she's a remedy.
A remedy. Like
Into me.
Enemy. Possibly.
Possibly, toppily, or unstoppably. Like Kim Possible, I am
Kim Possible.
droppably.
Nigga's a dog.
And I'm Chargies.
I'm a dog, and this is Charlie Brown.
And he looks like Mr. Miyagi out of town.
This nigga Travis look like the Jetsons' son, Elroy.
They look like Rev D. Run.
Nigga Travis look like nigga like Butterby March.
You look like Rick Ross with skinny jeans.
Oh, you bitch. Oh Lord.
Your mom got chose on her knees. They call her chose.
You like the black version of Carlos Mencia with your bitch ass. Nigga look like Dave Chappelle's son with your bitch ass.
Your grandma got a glass eye with a fish in it.
Nigga, shut the fuck up. You like Lil Wayne's tattoos, you dumb broad bitch. Yeah. Because we can do that. New beat, new track. Joe, don't let me get the riding on that ass.
And we bored.
Real nigga shit.
And it be dropping, so I think we about to go.
Long ass video.
Long ass video.
No, we never had nothing with y'all. But understand, I like this beat.
The Empire. If you don't hear their drops,
Bitch, I feel me. Yeah, I got a bang mad. I ain't talking about Big Daddy Nelly either. Like I said,
Start a new video.
all you niggas ain't shit but bitches with little titties. You hoe ass niggas. I fucked your bitch in the mouth and I bet you she kissed you right afterwards. So nigga, you could taste my slivering scum.
Shut up.
I'ma let them bitches swim in your mouth, bitch. Cause I'm David Johnson. I'm from the 619. Shout out to J Blast 4L. Yeah, that shit is disgusting, but it's okay. It's disgusting. Travis Unforgivable Part 2. Let's go.